Hello and welcome to the Daily English Practice Podcast. In today's episode, we'll talk about useful English sentences and expressions you can use when going to the market. If you're learning English and want to sound more natural in real situations, this is for you. Let's go shopping in English. When you first arrive at the market, you might want to ask, "Excuse me, how much is this?" It's a simple and polite way to ask about the price. If you want to buy something in quantity, "Can I get 2 kilos of tomatoes, please?" You can replace tomatoes with any item. Sometimes, the vendor may ask you, "Would you like a bag?" You can reply, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you, I have one." Want to check if they have something? "Do you have bananas today?" This shows interest and helps you learn new words. At the end, when you're paying, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you accept cash only?" And always end with, "Thank you. Have a nice day."
Practice these phrases at home before you go out. Repeat them daily to build confidence. You can also write your own shopping dialogue and speak it aloud. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Practice makes progress.